going to be about your weekly reading. Yes, this is a detailed reading about the just a short reel that you actually just saw. It could be you could have seen that reel at any time. Maybe you could not have seen that reel, but yes, this is an extension of that short video, because yes, sometimes people want to see the fuller version, detailed version of their weekly reading. So today we are going to see that here. Okay, I am Preeti and I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and I have read for thousands of people, so you can be assured that you are in good hands. Okay, so now let's get started. So just in case if you selected the okay, I'm just trying to put the card number 1 here, because yes, if you had selected the option number 1, the option number 1 was the Queen of Wands. Okay, so I'm just going to pull some extra cards so that you get some clear insights about what that card means further. Okay, so yes, the first option we had was, you know, this independent woman, this woman who is very driven by her work, who is very enthusiastic, very passionate about doing work. And now this work is everything. Okay, yes, because this is work, this is a woman and she is working. This could be housework, this could be office work, anything. Now you may not be a woman, but yes, this involves, whether you are a man or a woman, this involves that you are very driven, very passionately doing work, doing some domestic work, or doing some professional work at your workplace. Yes, this could be taking care of domestic duties at your workplace. Okay, yes, at workplace, what does domestic duties means? It means that yes, you know, you are actually taking care of whether everybody in the office had food or not, whether everybody in the office is getting their meals or not. Maybe you could be in the charge of that. Okay, so let's see what is the further reading for that. Yeah, you can see that full nurturing aspect here. Again, even managing the money. Yes, spending little money and taking care of your office people, taking care of your family members. Yes, this could be something that you can see, you can look forward to, that this is you in the upcoming week. Okay, the next is, yes, in this week there is also going to be some long-term plan. And yes, because this is a weekly reading, this could be just taking one step further in your long-term plan. But yes, you are going to take that long-term plan, you are going to take the next step further, and yes, this is what that is. Now you may say, okay, what is this next step going to be, in what direction? See, this could be in any direction, right? Because this is yes, this is about your life. It could be about, yes, if you are having some health issues, then taking some long-term steps about improving your health. Okay, it could be that. It could also be like if you are working and if you want to, yes, if you want to get good salary, good income, then you are also working on that. And you may actually study further, you may actually apply, or yes, you may actually apply for any exams so that you can, or do some training that is going to give you better future in the long term. Okay, so that also is going to be possible. Only one step. Okay, one steps or a few steps further in that direction. I cannot say that you're going to map out your entire future in the next 1 week, right? That is practically not possible. People just move ahead step by step. Okay, and the last card we see here is this card, and this says, yes, some long-term investment is going to be made. Okay, either this could be that you have money and you are going to make an investment, or it is that you are trying to start on a new source of income that is going to help you in the long term, yes, for your income making. Okay, so yes, so that is what this card says. So this is what you can expect from your upcoming week. Okay, so now let's see, just in case if you selected the option number 2, what does this option say for you. Okay, so first of all, we have this, yes, we had this Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles actually means that you are a person, yes, very grounded. You are somebody who wants to yes, take a long-term leap in your financial future, take a long-term leap in improving your health, take a long-term leap in making your body better. So maybe you could start a gym class this week, or maybe you could start doing that workout. Maybe you could start eating healthy, or maybe you could just order vitamins online. Okay, so that is what you can expect. Now let's see a detailed review, a detailed overview of what the option number 2 means. Okay, so we are going to stick to this, and just because this card has fallen here, so I'm just going to keep it for option 3. Okay, so yes, let's see, let's take even this card because this also had fallen down. So if you choose the option number 2, let's see. First of all, yes, there is going to be some sort of conflict. What conflict it could be? It could be a conflict between family members, or it could be some conflict, societal conflict, like it could be, yeah, people around your house, your neighboring areas, they could have a conflict, or you could just be passing by the road and you could see some people fighting. Okay, that also is there. You could also have a conflict in a business meeting. Okay, so that, and the next card we have here is this card, and yes, you will have some very nice good luck in your life. Very fortunate thing is going to happen in the next week, which is a good thing. You know, I would like to congratulate you for this, or I would like to like motivate you for this, because this is something you like even look forward to in this week. Just in, yes, the next thing is, yes, this week is actually going to pass by really quickly, very fast, because a lot of things are going to happen. Maybe you may say, okay, but what is going to happen? It's not that something bad is going to happen, okay, but it's just that something one after the other is going to happen, and you may not have the time to sit and even breathe. Okay, so yes, this is going to be busy in a good way. Okay, that being said, this card is about training. This card is about learning something. In this week, it could be learning a new skill, learning something new at work, at home, or yes, you know, applying some new skills. Yes, you may have to train yourself to do something which, yes, you will actually find it helpful either at your workplace or at your home. Now, just because, you know, this is 1 week reading, this is not something that is yes, this is not some very big training, or you may actually start your training class from this week. Okay, yes, this could be that. The last card we have is, yes, there is going to be some choices that are going to be made. Okay, choices that you appreciate, choices that you want, that yes, you know, you want to make. This is going to happen, and at the same time, just because this is a Lovers card actually attracts a lot of love energy into your life. So if you are single, there are chances of meeting somebody in this week. Okay, now yes, there are like chances to meet somebody, but again, it is totally up to you. You may totally ignore that person, right? You may see somebody approaching you and you may totally ignore that person. So yeah, so that is what that could happen. And if you are already in a relationship, yes, this actually shows that your relationship with your partner, you could actually get a chance to meet your partner, you could actually go out on a date with your partner, and yes, this is a very good card for you for this week. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for your reading for this week. Okay, and yeah, so that is it. Until next time, yeah. So just in case if you select the option number 3, this option actually says that yes, there is going to be a successful completion of something. So what completion you are going to see? It could be completion of some project. Maybe you were knitting a sweater and that sweater is going to complete this week. Okay, so it is as simple as that, or it could be as complicated as completing a huge project that you were working on since 5 years, and it's going to come to an end in this week. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to expect. This card we have here is, yes, some family money is going to come to you. Maybe somebody in your family, your parents, your elder sisters or brothers, they could actually give you something, and yes, you may get to save this money, you may get to spend this money, right? Now, you should not be asking, what will I do, right? What will you do? That only you know. But yes, this is something that you can expect, that some family money is actually going to come to you. It's going to fall on your lap this week, and let's see what will happen further. Yes, so what else is going to happen in the next week? Let's see. Okay, we have 2 more cards here. Okay, there it is. There we have a few cards. Okay, so first card we have here is this card, and this is the Emperor card, Emperor actually assures that he is taking good care of the family, of his kingdom. So this is what you will be supposed to do. Okay, you have to take care of the family, you have to take care of your kingdom, maybe if you have to take care of your workplace, whatever is happening, you will have to see whether everything is well coordinated and functioning properly. So this is what you may expect. Yes, you will be expected to do, or this is some person who is going to enter your life, or this person is going to be a more prominent part of your life in the next 1 week. And yes, they will be dominating. If there is some other person entering your life, this person is going to be dominating. Okay, now other person entering your life doesn't mean that they are entering for the first time. Maybe they are already in your life, but this is where in this week they are going to come into the picture, and yes, you may see more of them in this week. Okay, that being said, this card actually says that yes, this card actually says that you will be donating some money, giving some money to the charity. Yes, there could be some people who could be around you and they may come asking for help for money. Okay, and this card clearly says yes, offer as much money as you can easily spare by, but don't try to don't try to empty it out on everybody. Okay, so make sure that you don't give to people who don't need it. See, if you are just going to show that you have extraordinary amount of money, there are going to be people who will want it. Even if they don't need it, people just think that okay, you just have some extra bucks and you're just offering it for free, why not take it, right? So yes, make sure that you don't make any extraordinary show off that you have some more amount of money. Okay, the last card we have here is yes, something heartbreaking could happen. You may have to go against your wishes. Let's say that or your whole family, they are going out for dinner and you don't find ice cream of your choice. This also could happen, right? So yes, anything like this could happen, something that you wished that you had but you may not be able to have it. This is what is going to happen in this week. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in the next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment, how does this week's prediction help you? Okay, and I'll see you again in my next video. And if you want to get additional reading from me, right, if you want to get a tarot reading from me, please visit my website, check out all the services. I do have different packages. Yes, you can register for any consultation, and yes, consultations are paid. You have to prepay the session, after which you will have the consultation. And also there are some classes which I keep conducting from time to time. If you are interested in joining those classes, all the information is given on my website. Also there are some very good, very cost effective reports, numerology reports that are available on my website. You can get your mobile number checked, whether it is correct, whether it is correct frequency according to your date of birth, whether it is helping you to attract positive energy or negative energy. That also is available on my website. Please go ahead and register for that. I would tell you that is like something that is very, very valuable. It's going to give you very valuable information in a very small cost. Okay, yes, I do have to charge you because this living in this world is not free. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.